How to log out Telegram Messenger from iPhone. If you want to log out of Telegram Messenger app from iPhone, so what we do is open up the Telegram application. You can see I'm currently logged into my account. So what do I do if I want to log out? Well, to log out, what we do is tap the settings icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then you can see there is no logout button here. So to log out, what you actually do is you tap on the edit icon from the top right hand side. When you tap the edit button from the top right, you'll find this option, and if you scroll down, now you can find the option that says log out. So when you tap on it, you'll be successfully logged out of your Telegram account from iPhone. So that's how you can log out Telegram Messenger from iPhone. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.